So this video is going to be no BS, just straight going to show you how to find viral dropshipping products in minutes with Sell the Trend, which is an AI tool where you can manage your dropshipping store, you can do spying on your competitors, and you can do a lot of different stuff. And one of the stuff that this platform does really well is finding viral dropshipping products with the help of AI, obviously. So here you can go to Nexus AI products. You have the first link in the description. Nexus AI products is just a feature within Selling the Trend. So here we have a couple of options that we can go through. We can have top in United States, ad winners, new and rising, high profit margin, high orders, trending, or Easter. So for this, I always go with ad winners because I feel like ad winners are always the best type of products, because if they're performing well on ads, they're also performing well in terms of conversions. So you can go here and, for example, this product is a heavy duty vacuum magnetic phone holder, $23. Let's see for the margins. So margins right here, $19, pretty good. $66,000 in sales currently, around 3,000 orders, which is quite good. We can see that order statistics are rising. So total last 30 days, 1,000, which is quite good. Pricing, we can see the pricing as well. Now we can see competition as well here. It's not a new product, so it's good. It has good amount of orders, good profit margins, and low competition. Now what Sell the Trend does really well that not other platform are doing well is you have selling stores and you have suppliers. And this is really cool because you can connect your Shopify store to Sell the Trend, and you can connect your supplier with your Shopify store, so everything is in one place. So for example, right here we have one store, we have second and third. Let's take a look. So for example, this store looks quite clean. We can see they are selling this for $14. Okay, we can kind of see the store as well, what they're doing. If it's a one product store, that's a good indication that this product works. Now, how you can see how much this store is earning is you can copy this. You can go back to the Nexus AI, but go to Spy Tools and paste the link of the store right here. Hit search, and you will be able to see exactly how much this store earns, not off of this product, but overall, and you will be able to see what it basically where it's located and stuff like that. So here we can see that this store doesn't have really, or it has revenue, $4,000. Okay, so this is a new store. It's not really, actually it's not a new store. It's actually a failing store. So we can see that this store is failing. So it's not really that great of a store to compare. So you can immediately see that, this store is, although it looks good and everything is good, it's not actually making any money. So that's how you can kind of validate the product as well, in a way where you can see, okay, are they actually selling these products? But again, we can see the stores that are selling these products here. So if you go to Nexus AI products again, we can go here and we can, for example, let's take a look at this one. And we can see the Facebook ads as well, which is really cool. This is quite a high competition. Now, how I would differentiate which product is a winning product and which product is just a winning product, but in disguise is just a commodity. So in this case, this is just a commodity. What I like here is I like hand-picked winners. So hand-picked winners are hand-picked products that experts from Sell the Trend that are selling products, they are actually dropshipping experts, they hand-pick these products. So for example, this product is a good example of what a winning product looks like. So this is a dopamine patch. I'm not sure if any of you are familiar with this, but essentially this is a hand-picked product, and it's a dopamine patch for those of you who have problems with dopamine. Again, a lot of people today have problems with dopamine, and you can see also social ads here. You can see the competitor's ad. Not only that, you can see the Facebook ad, you can see the TikTok ad, you can generate with AI ready-made content if you want. And you can see the sites here. So for example, as you can see, we have one site which is selling these, really clean website, by the way. We can see dopamine patches right here. And we can copy this site again and go and check this site on our Sell the Trend here. But before we do that, we can see that this is making $50,000 a month, which is quite crazy for this part or for this hand-picked product. Now, obviously we can see that this product is a winning product because it's a unique product, right? I mean, I haven't seen these dopamine patches anywhere, so we can see the competitors' ads as well. So let's go back to our spy tools here, and let's also go and check this out. And we're checking this out, we're just validating if this is true. So $6,000 monthly revenue. We can see that, you know, it's fluctuating quite as well. But yeah, we can see the best-selling product is this one. So yeah, this product is definitely one to basically go and try to sell. So it's a number one product for this particular store, and probably most or majority of this revenue is coming from that product. So that's essentially, in a nutshell, in a very short video, how you can find viral dropshipping products in minutes with AI. It's a really cool way of finding products. If you want to check out Sell the Trend, I'll leave a link down below. And obviously, if you have any comments or questions, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.